Mhm.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kita Nurmulia.
My name is Anissa Kinanti.
So in here we will. So in here I will ask the question for you about online learning.
Yes, Gita.
In the new COVID situation, of course, learning is also to be required online learning. Do you think online learning is more tiring than offline learning?
My opinion about online learning, if in positive way, we can indeed learn to manage time and insight in using various applications and increase closeness to family. But in as negative ways, online learning is very difficult. Starting from collecting trees, discussion with friends, and collection limited pass.
Okay, to the next question. What is the biggest change you feel during this online learning?
In online learning, of course, many students feel a lot of change because in online learning, the teacher or lecturer does not make sure whether we have difficulties or not in the material.
For the third question, in your opinion, what is the strongest challenge of online learning?
In my opinion, the biggest challenge in online learning is slow internet network, limited access to computer, and smartphone devices.
Okay, the next, between online learning and offline learning, what do you think are the advantage of online learning?
Can be accessed easily just with a smartphone or technological devices such as laptops that are connected to the internet. Flexible study time, insight in using the application also be right.
Yeah, next, um, what is your opinion if this online learning continue until you graduate?
I think that if learning continues until graduation, we will only learn about material that may be difficult for us to understand, and also find it difficult to get to know our lecturer or friends closely.
Okay, we go to the last question. If the campus policy give students the choice to choose online or offline learning, what would you choose and why the reason?
I think it's better to go offline because it's easier for us to ask face to face than through cell phone.
Okay, thank you, Anissa, for answering my question. Okay, next you
Okay, good.
can, yeah,
To question.
yes, Anissa.
Indonesian people need to have an attitude that shows pride in the native culture of the homeland. What are the attitudes that need to be processed?
I think, in my opinion, the attitude we must have to show our pride in Indonesian culture is to acknowledge it. We claim to be proud of Indonesian culture by, for example, we use the local product like batik pattern clothes.
And second question, as Indonesian children, we need to perceive traditional art. Can you give an example of forms of practicing traditional art?
Conversing traditional art can be in the form of us knowing it because everyone has their passion, not just art. Knowing traditional art is a form of conserving traditional art.
Okay. And then each region has culture difference. In your opinion, what is a good attitude in dealing with cultural difference in Indonesia?
I think respect is one of them. The tolerating each other difference is also another opinions.
Mhm. And then for Indonesia, cultural diversity is very special. In your opinion, what is the role or and function of diversity in Indonesia?
I think Indonesian diversity is a characteristic of Indonesian state and also identity for our countries.
Then how do you prevent in Indonesian culture from being when many foreign culture enter Indonesia?
Increase awareness in each of us because we can manage other people. So start from ourselves to conserve our own culture.
And last question, Gita, what should be done so that people continue to follow the traditional in Indonesia?
Many people feel traditional as an Asian role, where the traditional is a form of identity and difference from it increase it areas. So for people to continue to carry out traditions that exist in Indonesia, it will be difficult. But again, we have to start from ourselves first. And then we can invite others to stick to the rules of their respective regional tradition.
So, Gita, thank you for your answers.
Yes.